If your drywall anchors keep ripping out, you're probably using the wrong ones. You know, most people grab whatever plastic anchor came with the thing that they're hanging, or a cheap kit of anchors, and that's usually the problem. These small plastic anchors are the ones that fail the most. They don't hold much weight and they don't grip the drywall well. So let me show you the difference.
When you put any weight on cheap plastic anchors that don't grip into the wall, the flex over time will wear out the hole and will eventually pull out of the drywall, and you're left with something like this. That's why when you're hanging something that has weight to it, make sure you're using the right tool for the job.
The right tool here is a solid drywall anchor that actually expands and locks into the wall. This spreads the load out and keeps it from pulling through. Same wall, same screw, but completely different results. So here's how these anchors work. They grip the drywall in a couple of different ways. First, you'll notice that there are threads here at the top of the anchor. Those threads grip into the drywall and prevent the anchor from pulling out. Behind the drywall is this tapered end, and that's designed so that when this screw screws into the anchor, it's gonna butterfly this tapered end and create a flare that will prevent the anchor from pulling from behind the drywall. And that's really what gives these anchors their strength.
So as a quick rule of thumb, for light stuff, use a nail or a small anchor. For medium stuff, use a heavy-duty anchor that self-drills into the wall. And for really heavy stuff, skip the anchor altogether and go directly into the stud.
So if you're hanging anything with weight, don't cheap out on your anchors. Use the right drywall anchor and you won't have to be fixing holes in your wall later. Thanks for watching. Make sure you check out the channel for more DIY videos for dads. I'll see you next time.